Okay, Derek got something here. Okay, Derek, reel that shit in. I mean, yeah. Here, tighten the drag. Okay, go for it. That help? Oh, oh, that's a really nice one. Looks about 6 or 7 pounds. Ooh, Matt, hold phone.
Yo, camera's all foggy for whatever reason.
Just you got him? Damn, boy.
Derek, relax.
Oh, sorry about that.
That's probably about 7 pounds-ish.
Yeah.
Maybe 8, if not more. Nice
Damn,
catch,
homie.
Derek.
That's a
Hold it
good
up,
boy.
Derek.
Wanna
Ow.
hold him?
Grab it.
Here. Just
I'm not even paying attention to the camera. Camera's all foggy for whatever reason.
really nice catch.
Yay.
Not bad for your first day.